Hello awesome people, this is Anand and welcome to another Kotlin tutorial. Today we are going to create our first Kotlin application. So without any further delay, let's start. Open the IDE in which you want to create Kotlin application. You can use IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse or NetBeans or any other IDE you want. If you don't know how to download and set up these IDEs for Kotlin development, then please do watch my previous videos. For this tutorial, I am going to use IntelliJ IDEA. So first step is to open IntelliJ IDEA. Once you open the IDE, you will see a welcome screen like this. Here you can see different options like create new project, import project, etc. Since we are going to create brand new Kotlin app, we will choose the first option. So click on create new project option. After that you will see a screen like this. Here you will have to choose the module and SDK for our first Kotlin application. As you can see that at the left side, various options are listed. And right side you can see the SDKs and modules for the selected options. Since we want to create a Kotlin application, we will choose Kotlin. Against Kotlin, there are two modules listed. One is Kotlin JVM and another one is Kotlin JS. If you want to target JVM, then choose the first option. And if you want to target JavaScript, then choose the second option. Since we are going to target JVM, we will choose first option. Now click next. After that, you see a new project wizard. Here we will have to provide the necessary details for our first Kotlin application. First is the project name. You are free to provide any name. I am giving here Hello World. Next, you need to provide the project location. You can give any project location you want. To change the project location, click on the given three dots at the very right side. Here choose the path where you want to save this project. After that, click OK. Since I don't want to change the path, that's why I am clicking cancel here. Now choose the project SDK. If you are not able to see any option in the drop down, that means you didn't have JDK on your system. So first you need to download that. But if you are sure that JDK is already downloaded and still you are not able to see the JDK on the drop down, then click on the new button given at the right side. Now go to the location where you have installed Java. After that, click OK. Now you will be able to see the project JDK here. Now click on the finish button. IntelliJ IDEA will start configuring the Kotlin project for you. After few seconds, you will be able to see this screen. If you are opening IntelliJ IDEA for the first time, then you will see tip of the day screen. Here you can go to the next tip or the previous tip if you want to know more about IntelliJ IDEA. This tip window will open every time you start IntelliJ IDEA. If you don't want to open it every time, then uncheck this little checkbox and close. So this is how IntelliJ IDEA looks. At the left side is the project window where you can see all the files and folders related to your Kotlin application. At the right side, currently highlighted section is the editor window. This is the place where you can write and edit code. Now expand the root folder of our application. As you can see, this is the default project structure of Kotlin application. SRC is the folder where all Kotlin source code file will reside. Right now, as you can see, our source folder is empty. First, we will create a new Kotlin class. To create it, right click on the source folder, then select new and choose Kotlin file class option. After that, you will see a small window like this. Here provide the name of Kotlin file. I am giving the name here app. You are free to provide any name you want. Now click OK. So our file is already created but it's empty. So let's write some code inside it. This is the code which is required to print Hello World on console. Don't worry about the code right now. I'll explain it in detail in my next videos. Now let's run the application. To run it, simply right click on this Kotlin icon in the gutter and select run. If everything goes correct, you should be able to see the output. As you can see that we are getting the output here, Hello World. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe my channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Till then, keep learning and have a nice day.